Ken.
So I'm
So
really,
would Jesus be happy with you on how you manage the economy?
It's up to Jesus to declare.
It's up to Jesus to declare.
I can do the best that I can, but I'm very just honored and blessed to have this position, and mine is to obey and do the best I can, with His guidance.
Would Jesus be happy with you to build a church for Him while His people suffers? That is the first question. And have you forgotten that Jesus Christ told us that we are the temple of God? And how can you would the temple be hungry once we build a church for God? Jesus is surely not happy. I shall form me mama kwaba at the back Xposed. Xposed yes no Ghana and beyond. Na ensemble na air cost umusem Jimmy na I'll say na me bekasa na Ghana ensem. Ghana ensem de yes ensem ayatena so no ene ye be pita e de ayden abro. Ensem bi o wa eba because of issues baba so day in and day out in Ghana for ensem ayden ensem abaso sisi aba ye Xposed de yes ensem da kwa ayese ko kwa adwo e be hye micro mind ehiti na se ehye micro na light bodun kra ye be soja waja se bidie no kra ye be so muchi a na ye de esisu na ehiti ama wo wu waja se Founders Day niti ensemble trend ye ensemble koso and shut down much attention on it ensemble na ye kam your finance minister your minister ana ye dwomokoni a wo hwe Ghana sikam sem so waja se honorable Ken Ofori Atta na ye interview bi ye interview ni bisa nsem. Simple question at the end of the message, would Jesus be happy with how you are handling the economy? That question will take you 5 minutes and stand away then or answer. Essence Ghana for a paying for no the agri 8 year grow entino. Down and so on during the Founders Day, nobody bar and on the news headline said from 8 August and now new Jina. Your budget any update and personal information or personal also be your budget 30 Ghana cedis. Meaning a higher Ghana cedis. Me jina na me won say your baba yiti, your baba fire, and some I was see a church mu. You pay for my dream so omun fire dey then. Omun drain the away akum, omun drain the ye film, omo ye omo pe. It unim at 4 time kutu share video, like it, na comment it what I say. Na mo se bebre e de ma ma ye je aboafo kratwo ye den embra ne ba unua limo e de kam kwa me amega e fra me African e chechen so why den e dia na ye be play video na your finance minister ye bam training a wo hwe den Ghana sika samso Ken Ofori Atta what I say they say na some person be honorable ni from ye den or your honorable what I say Ken Ofori Atta ye bisa the question in an interview na interview ni ye bisa na say papa would Jesus be happy with you on how you have handled the economy? He took him few minutes before answering that question. But maybe Tina anymore. Me person me can't say me ebisa Ken Ofori Atta. Would Jesus be happy with you on how you handle the economy? Would Jesus be happy with you to build a church for Him while His people suffers? That is the first question. And have you forgotten that Jesus Christ told us that we are the temple of God? And how can you would the temple be hungry once we build a church for God? Jesus is surely not happy. Jesus will surely not be happy on how you people have handled the economy. On how you have handled the economy like a class 1 student. Say, oh, you're economics. I don't know where you studied economics from. I have not studied economics. And I will not be in that field because I have no interest in that field. If you have been a person who has studied often degrees in this field, and this is not just a family affairs, but they appointed you into this office by credibility, there's Honorable Colonel Atta. A question again, would Jesus be happy with how you handle this economy? Yes, and young one said, just answering this question, it took you few minutes, even more than 5 minutes, to just answer this simple question. Yes, because I had to when you say you did not act like the poster boy Baumia. Oh, so that question here beside a finance minister, I applaud him for that. Or my will say, "Ampa, this man has failed." We're fully portable. We're fully in every sector of the economy. The cedi depreciation, the inflation rate, the high duties on import tax. Oh, come on. The economy has just failed. And Ghanaians are disappointed on how you people have manhandled this economy. You understand? Fine. Be asking this minister this question. Mubisa muhon. Sanka eye baumia. Anaya agriculture minister. And he didn't even see Safi. The poster boy, I don't even want to call him Baumia anymore. Because he is just losing the credibility to the extent that they say he will be the poster boy. Agriculture minister, Shen your Okasa, if they were given this seat, how they will brag. A finance minister, we applaud you for Ghanaians knowing that, letting Ghanaians know that yes, the economy has not gone the way we people wanted. Or even yourself, you are not being fair. But the question is, when you are maybe no more accommodating ma, no I catch you say yes, you are solid in Emma. O se o nyankopon ni nibechi ana. O nyame ben na ne ma enya baby na. No obeka se yes, you are solid in Emma. O nyankopon so ben ena ne ma ebre edi apinisie. No obeka se yes, you are solid in Emma. Well, it is nice to build a cathedral for God. But the question is, will Jesus be happy with how you might handle this economy? You understand? So morning, you should video near them and you should video now.
Kenneth, would Jesus be happy with you on the way you've managed the economy? Finally.
I think it's an issue of willingness and obedience to what Christ would like us to do. Honest, good job done over that period, yes. Holy Spirit guiding us to the things we do, yes. Am I confident that He's leading us in the right direction? Unequivocally. I think difficult times, His power will emanate. And I'm very confident about where He will take us.
So Jesus is happy with you with how you manage the economy?
You know, it's very difficult to think that one will be holy enough for total acceptance. You're constantly praying that you have the courage and the spirit to go on. But more importantly, you know, in all of this technical stuff, it's a clear love for country and understanding of what somebody like me could become finance minister, and therefore who in Fantiakwa could also do that. And therefore, what should we be doing 18 hours a day to ensure we give that opportunity to people to be able to get to the levels that we are.
Ken,
so
really, would Jesus be happy with you on how you manage the economy?
It's up to Jesus to declare.
That's up to Jesus to declare.
I can do the best that I can, but I'm very just honored and blessed to have this position, and mine is to obey and do the best I can, you know, with His guidance.
You are the finance minister. I can't video ni mono. So I say, now one year go be me person me show team, and I me person me catch us for show team say in paying for and this finance minister say your family affairs and what I say this amamwe woman, he needs to be fired. He needs to put his pens down. Also, funny bag, and a luggage bag, near dignity, said dollars negumo, said then negumo. No, so the we did the president, did you know, resign because economy, no, might be a year, it in economy because Cassam and I'm any parent in each. Say the nipper in I to make us say, Nipper cra who niska, what do ye any day or any day because of top young rate, son of my tear or mine, if Benya should be any pound back to turn the chrono and seven just one. Now was so on mine, a sick some year the 2 years, and if it miniska, it me renting, and if it miniska, it will show for men can be responsible to their families. But when they are not being responsible to their families, a member, a minor, a boo, and all stands on this finance minister, this man who can manage the economy of this nation. So that's it. Now, you're sure on the economy. And I have 5 pieces of Wonyansa on the Founders Day, and on back today and said, on the 10th of August, update BI on Ghana card, so we deal no problem about your man. I ebe yusu ube 30 Ghana and sana omayama. The question is this the way to revive the economic crisis? A question I'm person maybe sir. This economy now a woman add to a say you ever fast and you revive the Ghana economy now by taking people 30 Ghana cities. It is simple for eco office one man. Who go within there from Kofia near Kofino KOFY. Now, who now because some catch us when I will mistake and you be a depend more typing the demand one. What are the mistakes that the staff people will do? A question oh, some mistake no a staff need be in a year. So staff no when I met you at Ghana no on the mistake a staff need year because oh yeah, we are the people and them say fakofi. It is a mistake because any people in our Ghana has to name there. So I say any people now let me read it and write it. Is it another way of taking money from these people? It is the question we are asking. Question I bisa. Ana e point so I be fa kwan agigi scale free Ghana phone say because sikaputo you did track Ghana card and you did to Ghana card so you see for Ghana and no say can and here they can somewhere now. Ghana just say we have educated illiterates. In fact, we have educated illiterates. When they sit down, whatever comes into their mind, whatever be their self-centered thinking, then they give it to Ghanaians. They are catch there. It will be to me now. I don't your opinion. When you need 1, 2, 3, near confirm me, pack will trauma my mind because you're concerned you win here. It's Ghana card that you trace car. Say you find your my mistake. Neighbor will see a situation to Ghana. Is this the time for it? Give it for destiny. It has to go beyond years. Ghana for use so card way every maybe a problem or be a losing a car, maybe or replace it for far. Now so just take Ghana and him say yes, it can be used to pay other staffs. Ade, on my ben cranny 18. On my ben cranny 18. But let me go something. We let me catch you say about first so you say need truth for a catcher say and through be my day and money me to be anything so I say need truth say friend number po dance we then and ma be no ma we ni na then and ma who then we see into me see we are need truth say then friend. Let me say to us. The question is and you one say but we are catcher say Ghana card is important than rules. So I'm asking, if the Ghana card is important than Ghana's rules, the question is, if the Ghana card is important than Ghana rules, why do we have to pay 30 Ghana cedis to update personal information on the Ghana card? This is a question I am just asking. Why do we have to pay 30 Ghana cedis for this card? Why do we have to? They pay for the agree Tiago or be in a position where the woman say people detect for us no man can you pay. Is this the right time? Mete say another who say last year NIA for catch say they will open district offices in all sectors of Ghana. Saying you to Makoya Ghana Kappa, people travel all the way from Volta region, all the way from other regions to come to Ghana, to come to Accra. I was posted them to come and do their Ghana card. It is a question. People travel all these ways. It may be so. You to rectify these errors and send you catch say update information. You just 30 Ghana cedis. Who approved this? Who sat down and approved it? Because I have not to notice here anything concerning the state and concerning what we do in this country, it needs to approve in parliament. It is your mind of your parliament to be a shining concern of parliament. What veto power do these people have? You say Ghana card. Is this how we have to deal with it? Well, what I say, I must be because this country is a country you have to bow your head in shame. You understand? Why do you pay for a putting Ghanaians much better than us? The ordinary Ghanaian was sorry. If you are not saying what to need, if you are not saying what do we eat? Ni person it me show. They made a comment, said they called a person who is Ghana card has been done. So on making a couple so in your transport. If you move to Ghana food, do you know the number of people who wake up daily in Ghana, they don't have money to feed themselves? I will be catching so updating the Ghana card, only 30 Ghana cedis. Some way you try 2,000 Ghana cedis, 3,000 a month. Among them have this Obian more by more, and Obian more baby, Obit Obian Matre, or training baby and Obit 30 Ghana for an update of a personal Ghana card. How many people are able to survive by 30 Ghana cedis in this country? Well, Ghana is it's in Samsung. I feel for women could you above for Catherine and Brandy a coba. But in Sembers barely, but to Mama.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dying with Timona sensu to a nuno and nuntia one na aquaye bisi basa any and name media sempa and natural things a be one more and some a day a massa crofoni nasa to sumikana bra one more akache now one more MMS so how no and no and fa emma and unti for one more number it will screen no as soon as any one more in the ayakasu as a woman to my son intino adansi for Womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engude biara eda
enu abana me catch us I have Ghana sem umunya obebi as Xposed GH but only ansa na mekom. You see, this is a major problem, and listen. So do we have to pay 30 Ghana cedis for something that billions was invested into? Do you know the billions of Ghana cedi we invested into doing this Ghana card? So yes, now Ghanaians have to pay money for it, in updating its personal information. Wait, whilst our ministers, our people in politics, in power, to live a extravagant life with it, they use money. They use shame class now we one V8 car. Let their buying alarm car to him. Now pay, and you baby don't go. Baby can't go for. They live extravagant life for us. Now young Ghanaians here play. See, let me tell you something. Ghana for more taking this Ghana cast slightly. No, let me tell you something. After your former EC, Ofori Kasemi said, do not disenfranchise. Do not make the Ghana card the only way of voting because it will disenfranchise millions. What do you say, if people do not take care, this breaking the age by this political party that is in power is having an agenda. It's breaking the age and they mean what they are doing. They mean what they are saying. Ghana for and sorry because so we need the economy now a woman now fine. Sadly, be and some na ye can say medium in trouble. Yes, say conformity to conformity so better national corona boy. A boy no ye dem want mubi. What I say? A boy in na better ne kankan. It would to na wokas medium in your politics, medium in your say. Some go for any power show, and no more ye bed go DQ. Nyoma So let's be careful. Let's rise up for this nation. Let's rise up for this country because growing boy in United, mimi ni we this guy be go Dubai, ye this guy be fa car afa Europe, ye this guy be fa car ade fa plane be se car, ye be fa plane ade kwa America. Visa graduate no ayensem, ye nya celebrities ko mo ko give visa kwa you now. Now how much more me and you? I am Togo border poda. We need to be very careful. The country should be something on our heart. You're very, very careful. The agenda these people are putting out, a bear says skinny any color chop. The Ghanaian youth rise up. I have a gun and send them a cat yourself commenting. Next year, that's sending me a basic share. Mimi did the limo, elegant, Kwame, Amega, who went to my friend, Air Kent. Like it, comment it. Next year, no being tea in some idea. Air Cosco, Mimi understand the basic share. Bye bye.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dan and a wasie and our pension papa a de apostle and a dan wutimo na senso to a nuno enuntia ma wona akwakoye bisi basa any and name de asempa enam natural things e bie wo mo ensem e de amasa nkrofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubu nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda